Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I bring to you 7 summer essentials that you need to have this lockdown, because what better time than a lockdown to take care of yourself, your body and your wellness overall. So without further blabbering, let's jump into the video. The first and the very important essential product that I have for you guys is obviously a body wash. It's already summers and you obviously have to take a bath every day, there's no question about it. And using a really good water based shower gel is really important because it helps you instantly get refreshed and lively. And something like this that has power fruit and antioxidants and blueberry in it helps really well. Now this one's from Nivea and it comes in a lot of variants. There's lime variant, orange variant I also believe, and things like that that will help you refresh yourself instantly when you take a bath. So using a shower gel is really important. Now after taking a bath, it is really important to use an antiperspirant underarm roll-on. I use it daily, there's no doubt about it, and so should you. And the one I use is from Nivea. It's the fresh natural deodorant that has 0% alcohol and gives you long lasting freshness. If you're using it for the first time, try going for something that has less of alcohol because it could irritate otherwise. So try using something that has low levels of alcohol. Now this also comes in a lot of variants. There's whitening one, pearl one, and avocado one, I believe, like a lot of variants. And these ones are basically for girls, but they have variants for men also, which are these ones. It is by Nivea Men and it does the same thing. It gives long lasting freshness. This one has ocean extracts. Now these ones also that are meant for men also come in a lot of variants. This one is the one that my brother uses, but these also come in a lot of variants. So boys, do not take this for granted because this is something that is going to make you smell fresh all day long. Now no shame about it. We know that underarms do smell bad if you don't take care of them, if you don't take a bath every day. So it is really important that odor does not disturb the entire body odor of yours. So really important to use an underarm roll-on during summers, especially because you sweat a lot. And boys, highly recommend this one. One very important summer essential is a face wash because you constantly keep sweating and you have pores on your face and they get clogged, and then you get this acne problem everywhere, patches and blackheads and whiteheads. Even boys, I understand, boys do tend to burst acne. Guys, do not even do this mistake ever. Do not even think of doing it because it is not going to make you get rid of your acne, it is going to make it worse. Okay, boys, do not burst your pimples. Get that straight in your head. Okay, just to get rid of everything that you have on your face, it's really important to use a really good face wash. And so I recommend this face wash from Innisfree. It's the Jeju Volcanic Pore Cleansing Foam. It says that the Jeju Volcanic clusters absorb the sebum and dirt, and it is a pore clearing solution. This is something that all of us use, myself, my sister, my brother, my father, my mother, everyone. And obviously Innisfree products are meant to be great, and this can be used by girls as well as boys, doesn't matter, because everybody has skin issues. It's not something specific to girls, even boys have it. And accepting it is really important, guys. There's nothing like ladkiyon ki cheezein hain and we don't use it. but it's nothing like that. You don't need to be shy of taking care of yourself. It is not something that is girly, it is human, very very normal, and you guys have to take care of yourself if you need to impress girls, you know. The next essential item is a sunscreen. Obviously it's summers, and I have emphasized a lot on the importance of a sunscreen, be it your face, your body, anywhere. You don't want to get tan, right? You don't want the sun to cause harm to your body, so a sunscreen is also very important. Even if you are locked down, guys, even if you during this quarantine, you need to use a sunscreen. If you don't know that, check out my previous video, I'll link it over here. I talk about the importance of a sunscreen in our life, and sunscreen is very important. And the one that I use is from Lotus. Especially boys, I see you guys getting tanned a lot, and obviously I know that is an issue for you guys also, but start addressing your skin issues and skin problems, because that is something that concerns you. Everybody knows, you yourself deep somewhere down the line know that it concerns you, but you just fear accepting it because you think again it's like a girly thing, but it's not. Start taking care of yourself, guys. Another very important body, I think every thing that I list is important in this video, because that is what it says, summer essentials, I feel. Anyways, so the next essential that I have for you during this lockdown is a good body mist. Even if you're locked down, even if you're quarantined, smelling good always makes you feel uplifted. It lifts up your mood very much, and it helps you realize that you are, you know, at the top of your capacities, and helps you work better. Because if you're constantly smelling something nice, it, you know, instantly makes you happier, and then you tend to do work better, in a better way, any work. So smelling good is really important, especially when you are inside your houses and you don't have anything to do, because that makes you really low, and a lot of people get really frustrated. So to feel happy, smelling good is really important, and hence a good deodorant. And the one I use is this one. It's from Nykaa. It's the fragrance mist in the variant Fresh Aqua. Now this one's a water-based deodorant and has aqua extracts in it. Smells like fresh ocean water. Something like this that has aqua and mint and mentholish things in it really works for summers, because it, you know, makes you feel refreshed for a really long time. So highly recommend this one. After that comes the moisturizer. Even if it's summers, you need to use a good moisturizer, because your skin does get oily and sweaty, and to combat that, you need to have a layer between the atmosphere and your skin, so that the sweat, you know, the sweat does not clog your pores. And the one that I use is from Pond's. It's the Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. It is an oil free moisturizer and is water based, gel like consistency. I'm going to show you guys. This is how it looks. I'm almost over it, and this is the consistency. See, and it instantly gets absorbed to your skin, and it does not form a thick layer over it. And obviously, you know, I like the Garnier Anti-Wrinkle Lift moisturizer a lot, but I do keep changing between these two, this one and the Garnier one, because that is a little heavy than this one. So I keep changing between these two. My brother also uses it and he loves it. Guys, take care of your skin. I'm saying it again and again because I want to emphasize on this fact a lot, that even you people need to take care of your skin, and it is going to make you feel better, trust me. Okay, so the last and the final essential that I'm going to talk about is rose water, and the one that I use is from Dabur. It's the Dabur Gulabi Premium Rose Water. This is obviously the most common one, and a lot of people use it already. Now, this is something that you're going to use if you're, doing your thing and you have all the cotton and stuff like that for you. But if you don't have anything and you're on the go, you can use the Dabur Gulabi spray as well. This is in a spray format, and this can be used when you don't have anything, you don't have much time to do all the cleansing thing. Just take it, spritz it all over your face, and it is going to refresh you like nothing else. But since we are locked down and it's quarantine, this is something that you can go for. Oh, okay guys, so those were some of my summer essentials that have to be there in your vanity all the time. Doesn't matter if you're a boy or if you're a girl. Taking care of yourself and your body and your hygiene is something that is very, very, very important and should come to you naturally. And try these essentials out. Tell me how they work for you. Also, to get to know how I got this look, this pretty nude matte look, check out my Instagram. It's @Safarnama by Ritika. You guys already know. And get to the IGTV, watch it, and also tell me there how you liked it. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I love you guys.